Hey guys, this is Ray. So in this video, I want to talk about Eventide Anthology XI. So now this bundle pretty much has all their plugins. And it's an amazing bundle. There is just so much going on here. Now I'm going to try my best to cover just about every single plugin within this bundle. I don't want to make this video 30 minutes long. So over here we're looking at UltraVerb. Now I really don't use this one as much. How many of us have a lot of plugins that are fantastic and we just don't go to them all the time? We might use it every now and then. Sometimes we just forget we got the plugin. It's pretty nice. Have an EQ section and a compressor. And let me tell you why this comes in handy. There are times that I put a reverb, right under the reverb, I'll put an EQ. But I've really never added a compressor. So adding a compressor to the signal is a pretty interesting twist. Something I definitely have to mess around with. All right, so we have another verb. So here's how it works. You got mix, decay, size, pre-delay, low, highs, overdrive level, wobble, frequency, mids, active, hot switch, and tap. So let me know what you guys think about this plugin. So here's another interesting plugin, H3000. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I just started using this. Here's what this plugin does. It can separate the frequencies, process them individually, adding delay to the frequencies. And it comes in really handy. Each channel's been around for a while. They actually gave this away for free a long time ago. It's a fantastic plugin. It's a channel strip plugin. So the way this works, you have your input, your gate, your compressor section, and your 5-band parametric EQ section. And one of the cool things about this, you can actually move the modules. So if you want the parametric EQ to be first on the chain, you can do that. If you want it to be last on the chain, you can also do that. Same thing with the compressor. So if you want to take the compressor and you want to compress after the EQ, we can do that. Very simple, really nice plugin. So it's a really good sounding plugin. This is the H949. This plugin is amazing, but let's just take a quick look and mess around with the settings really quick before we move on. Another plugin that I really enjoy messing around with. Now I'm just moving knobs and I'm showing you guys what the plugin does. You wouldn't really do that in a session. And you guys already know how I like to create these videos. I like to mess around with everything. There's no point of making a video and showing you a plugin and you barely can hear what the plugin is doing. Like some of the videos on YouTube and other places. You actually want to hear what the plugin is doing. It's another plugin that I have within my template. It sounds really good. Now when I use this plugin, I load as factory default and I tweak it just a little bit. And the next reverb plugin is my GoTo Reverb plugin. Another reverb that I have within my template. But in this video, I don't have any vocals. Can't use anything that I'm currently working on due to copyrights and all of that. So we're going to have to work with what we have. It is what it is. Let's go. What I like about this plugin, you have your compressor section, your gate, you have two gate sections, and you have your room. You can also move around the mics, which is pretty interesting. Check that out. I've seen other plugins have this capability, but I've never owned a plugin that you can actually manipulate the mics, so you can do a lot. All right, so over here we have EQ45. It's an EQ. It's a pretty nice EQ. I use it every now and then. I don't use it as much as I should be using it. So you have your low cut and you got your high cut. Pretty interesting plugin. Okay, so now we're going to be taking a look at EQ65. We just finished looking at EQ45. Now it looks the same. There are some differences. If we take a look right here, in this section we have this notch and peak. We don't have that over here. We have the in and outs, and we got fine frequency. So let's mess around with this. Now, when you first download this plugin, you're going to want to mess around with these settings to get familiar with the plugin. Also, you can check the manual if you have no idea what these things do. Like I said earlier, we don't really have the time to sit here and explain every single thing because this bundle has a lot of plugins in it. So if we focus on one specific plugin, we're going to be here for a while. So now we're looking at Octave Ox. I really enjoy messing around with this plugin. Maybe in the future I'll make a video just on this plugin and we can go through all the sections and all the settings of this plugin. It is a fantastic plugin. So now we're going to be looking at Blackhole. That's pretty crazy. So if I want, I can freeze it. Let's hear that again. So let's hear what we're working with. Nothing happens. But if I tap, let's push this plugin. I definitely like what this plugin is doing. So the next plugin we're looking at, I actually have it within my template. It's a fantastic plugin. Let's hear it. I don't have any other plugin that comes close to what this plugin can do. So there you go, that's Anthology 7. Within this bundle, if there's a specific plugin that you want me to make a video on, just let me know. Every single plugin within this bundle deserves his own video, and believe me guys, I'm going to create some videos on some of the plugins here. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, first time watching, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to have a discussion, post in the bottom. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later guys.